You found this video because you're searching for a reliable working method on how to get free Amazon gift card codes. And I spent the past few hours scouring the internet, and I've managed to find a working method that's going to get you a free Amazon gift card. So I'm decided to create this tutorial. Let's get into it. So, if you're fed up with searching for hours to find free Amazon gift card codes, you're going to love this video because these codes are working in 2024 and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. You need to use your mobile phone, so I've got my mobile here. I've opened up an internet browser and I'm going to go to this website, www.topdogcodes.com. So head over to Top Dog Codes, guys. Super cool website. This is one you need to bookmark, guys, because these have saved me so much money over the course of this year, and yeah, super valuable website. Go to the search bar, search for Amazon. You're looking for this Amazon gift cards and coupons page. Now, this is awesome. Let's see what's available. These codes are limited, but they've yet to run out. Now, you can see, guys, there's some coupon codes, there's Amazon Prime, but this is the one we're interested in. A $150 Amazon gift card code for completely free. Now, this code is awesome. You need to go ahead and click on show coupon, and you can see, guys, you need to unlock your exclusive and unique gift card code. Completely normal. This obviously prevents people who create robots and programs to steal such codes. Of course, these are worth $150. So these are pretty valuable codes. So this prevents that. So you need to unlock your personal code. So what you're going to need to do is tap this green button that says unlock code. Now, I'm not going to run through the entire process because these codes are limited, but what you're going to see, guys, is a new screen and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. It takes about 5 minutes to verify yourself as a real person. Just follow through the instructions. Essentially, you're going to need to complete a couple of these free tasks, and once you've done that, your code will be fully revealed. So these stars will transform into numbers and characters. And yeah, once you have your code, you can literally copy it, enter it into your Amazon app or on the website, and it's going to credit your account $150. And that is how you can get free Amazon gift cards in 2024. So head on over to topdogcodes.com, search for the Amazon page, and follow through all of these instructions. It's pretty easy, guys. Takes about 5 minutes, and that's going to get you $150. Smash the like button, leave a comment below if you need any help, and I'll see you in the next video.